What's up guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This one is for this Zinus full 12-inch memory foam bed. It's a mattress and we're gonna do the unboxing right now. And pretty much taking it out of the box. And unraveling it. We'll just take it out of the box. And just keep unrolling it. Until you end up with this. And then once you end up with this, you can cut it, or you could slide it out. It's going to be a lot easier to cut it and just rip it out. And then after you've cut it, you can set it aside on the plastic while you assemble the bed. It takes a few days for it to go all the way back up. This mattress is quite possibly the best mattress for the money. So I'm just gonna leave this like this while I assemble the Loreli, also by Zinus. And this is gonna fluff up within a few days, and it'll be ready for use. Thanks for watching the unboxing video of the 12-inch memory foam green tea mattress.